All of us are trying to find the best investment and the safest investment that will guarantee a return on our money and our time. Let me share with you from my own experience what is the best investment and the safest investment that you can ever make. The market environment does not matter, whether it's a recession, whether it's a flat market or a thriving market. Are you ready to be blown away? Are you ready to have your world shaken a bit? Are you sure? Because you have access to it. And if you don't take advantage of it, it is your fault. And once you find it, there is no excuse for you to not tackle it. So here it is. It is investing in your freaking self. Didn't you realize that you are the greatest asset that you will ever have? It doesn't even pale with other investments that you are going to make outside of yourself. Your skills, your mindset, your disciplines, your health are the things that are in your control and you can change at any moment. You can literally become anything you want to if you are willing to pay the price for greatness, or if you're willing to pay the price to get there. Just imagine for a second, can anyone take away your mindset? Can anyone take away your discipline? Can anyone take away your skills? You might come to the same conclusion like I did. No. Yes, someone can take away your money. Your investments can go to hell. The market can plummet 80%. The construction that holds your real estate investments can become pebbles over the night. But no one can take away your mindset, your skills, your disciplines, or your experiences that you had over the years and that made you who you are today. So my friends, I encourage you to take a step and make the best and the safest investment that you can ever make, and that is invest in yourself. Become the best that you can possibly become. Develop a world-class discipline and go conquer the world. Becoming the best you is going to be the greatest thing you've ever done. Choose your mountain and go conquer it. Until next time, my friends, take care and become unstoppable. Peace.